on our way out of San Diego, on our way to southern Utah. The sun is pretty bright. This is what the 8 looks like when you're leaving San Diego. Really steep grade going down. We are now in Yuma. There's a whole lot of nothing out here. So we are now in Parker, Arizona. Whole lot of nothing here too. Bikes are doing well. We found a place near Parker. We're gonna stop and have a little picnic. What a cool little spot we found. We're about 300 miles from our destination for the night, which is St. George. We're staying in a hotel for the night so that we don't have to set up the whole pop-up trailer. And then tomorrow we're gonna head over to Kanab, and that is our base camp. We've been on Highway 95 off and on as we've gone through little towns like Needles and Bullhead City and Havasu. We made it to St. George. Everything's going great. We have this fantastic room and it's super windy outside. Our final destination is Kanab, which is about 100 miles away from St. George. And I'm thinking I might ride the bike from here to Kanab. I don't know yet. Good morning. We're in St. George. It's 9/11 today. The morning has been beautiful. We went for a walk earlier. I'm going to ride over to Snow Canyon, which is only about 20 miles from here. And he's going to follow me, and then after that we're going to drive about 100 miles, give or take, to Kanab and set up for the night there. Yesterday it was a long day of driving. We did not take the main freeways, and that took a lot longer, because if we had, it would have been like 8 or 9 hours. You go a little slower when you have a load this heavy. It's like 6,000 pounds. So it took us about 12 hours yesterday. There was a lot of stop and goes through all the small towns that we went through along the way. But that's cool too, because you get to see more stuff, and easier to stop and pull off for bathroom breaks and things like that. So anyway, this is the first day of riding on this southern Utah trip. Utah is so beautiful. It is hella cool. I've seen a lot of guys riding without helmets though. That freaks me out. Windy today. We just went through the entrance to Snow Canyon State Park. Wow, I'm already totally blown away. This is very, very cool. It's pretty windy today, but wow, look at this. This is beautiful. What I just love about Utah are the colors here. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. We're in Snow Canyon, and it is named after 2 settlers, brothers. Their last name is Snow. I don't think they get snow here, but it's named after them because they settled here. And why not? What a gorgeous, gorgeous spot. Look at these cliffs, these red and orange colors. Like I said earlier, this is 9/11, and what better way to spend it than checking out the beauty in Utah. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Perfect weather. It's like in the low 80s right now. the whole 2 weeks is supposed to be in the low 80s during the day and then low 50s at night. So perfect. Wow, 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 wow. I'm sorry, I need a better word than wow. Epic, mega, stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. The 389 heading east towards Kanab and just taking our time and enjoying the scenery and the beautiful area. It's super windy and I mean, look at this. Trying to talk so you can hear me over the wind, but this is just a beautiful state. I really, really like it here.
There she is, folks. The wildly popular and massively successful Wheels Not Heels. And we're in Utah right now, just cruising through the backcountry. This is just outside of a little town called Hurricane. And we're going to be going on to La Birken and then on into Fredonia. And our final destination for today is Kanab. So we'll be camping there for a couple of weeks. Just gonna enjoy the scenery for a while.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful area. I know I'm going to be saying that a lot, but this long stretch of road and having all these cool mountains to look at and colorful rocks, it's amazing. So we are still on 389 going east. And I've been fighting the wind for about an hour now. It's kind of tiring, but I'm just digging this scenery. So we stopped in the little town of Fredonia on the way to Kanab. I'm so glad he stopped because that wind was really getting hard to fight. Nice little park here. Wow, this is cool. We get to have a little bit of a lunch and I get to ride on the stupid gravel. We are now heading over to Kanab, which is just a few minutes away. Thank goodness, because that wind on 389 was pretty brutal, and I was getting pretty tired of fighting it. This is a cute little town. I really like little towns like this. No, those guys had helmets on. A lot of these motorcyclists that I've seen out here aren't wearing helmets. That just freaks me out, man. I don't know how you ride safely without a helmet if anything happens. Here we go. On to Kanab. Alright, we are at our final destination in Kanab, the RV Corral. We got a really nice spot. It's mostly shade. And we're going to, well, he's unloading his bike right now. It's a little close to the main road, a little bit of traffic noise, but hey, it's nice and shady and it's clean here, and they've got a nice pool, and there's a view of the mountains over there, and my bike is doing great. Doing great. This is going to be a great, epic trip. We haven't been on a bike tour in a really long time, so you know, I was very anxious to go on this trip. This is awesome. I mean, look at this place. It's only the beginning. Yeah, so what do you think so far?